What's up, everybody, and hello from the beautiful Philippines, Angeli City here. Another beautiful morning out for our weekly walk around Fields Avenue. Let's check out the pacer rate. The pacer rate has been doing, good morning, there it is, 56.15. That's a good rate. That's a good rate. Let's walk on this side here. I'm gonna walk down this side and I'm gonna jump to the other side, show the other side a little bit of love, see what's new, what's going on. Same old, right? This area has been vlogged a billion, I'm gonna say close to a billion times, all right? Let the music cranking away. Yeah, guys, big news. Margarita Station is coming to an end up here on Fields Avenue. The 15th is the last day it will be down here. It is moving up the road. I will get up there, I will show it to you, but the 15th of this month is the last day. Those who've been following me for a while know that. There's old Anna. Good morning, Anna. The last day is the 15th down here. A door guy was telling me they probably won't open for till October. Maybe the first week of October because they got to move everything. So there it is. That's it right there. Margarita Station, Mongolia Barbecue, Friday the 15th, 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Special price, 320 pesos. Good deal. So when they do move up the road, I will show it to you. I will get in there. But an iconic landmark like that is coming to an end here. I'm good. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. I'm good. Hey, Philadelphia. All right. They will always... The vendors are always going to ask you. Just got to say no. The same vendors that ask me day in and day out. Always wheel and deal, right? You know, it was funny. I just seen a video by the man Ace up on Walking Street the other night. There was a celebrity, evidently some type of celebrity was walking around up there, and he had his camera crew with him, and they were taking pictures, and all the girls were out on the street getting pictures with the celebrity, and they were all taking pictures, right? You know, that celebrity has got a lot of followers, so a lot of people are going to see his photos while he was up on the Walking Street, right? Girls weren't shy that night, were they? Look at this big old hole right there. That's what happened. Road collapse. There are a couple bags in there. And be careful. Be careful. Don't fall in the hole. Don't fall in the hole because that'll stay like that for a while. Oh, hey. Elise. Hey. All right, there's my man.
Yeah.
A good price.
Good price.
Good price.
150 peso.
With warranty.
This is my son.
That's your son. How you doing? You all right, little man? All right. Taking him to work day. Take your son to work day.
Yeah.
All right.
Have a good day.
You too. He's another vendor. He always kids with me. I kid with him. He knows me. I don't know what time it is. 9, maybe 9:30, give or take. Things are still closed. I know I did a walk last week, and I didn't say a word. It was quiet. It was quiet. Sometimes I felt like just not saying anything. Oop. Watch out. Gotta point this way. Eclipse. So they're doing construction in Eclipse. And we're coming up here at Skytrax. Somebody asked me, they said, what are they doing with the Skytrax? They're just rebuilding it. They're making it bigger, better. They got to compete with the clubs like Eclipse, Hammer, Mega Dance. The old Skytrax was just outdated. That's all it was, outdated. So now they're re-renovating it, gonna bring it up to par. These clubs, these dance clubs here, they're just popping up. Remember, it was Mega Dance, and what was the other one? Or no, it was Skytrax, and what was the other one that everybody used to go to that closed down? Somebody will tell me. But those are the big things. These clubs are open at night. They're dance clubs. To me, I don't like them. Too loud for me. So yeah. Ooh. Morning.
Good morning.
How are you? What's your name?
My name is Ian.
China. What's your name?
Arlene.
Arlene.
Yeah.
That's her name. What's your name? Come see her. Come see here. Stall number 77. Crazy Style Saloon, right?
Yeah, you can interview her.
Her. She's the owner.
Yes, she's the owner.
You're just a worker here.
But
all
me,
right.
I'm not the owner.
And that's your mascot right there.
Yes, that's
That's the star. That's the star of your. Wait,
He's unlocking the guy.
He's painted pink.
Yeah.
He's pink. Oh, now I scared her.
She needs someone to carry her.
Why is she pink? Color?
She's a woman.
Oh, so that's color. Somebody put color on her.
Yeah.
Yeah, some dye. I've never seen a pink cat in my life.
Yeah, but here they have.
Yes, here they have.
Yeah, of course.
All right, thank you, ladies. Well, you gotta watch out.
Morning.
Good morning. A pink cat. Anybody ever see a pink cat? Only in the Philippines, right? A lot of hair salons down through this area down here. Jewelry. Except G-Cash. You want some jewelry for your girl? You got some rings, you got necklaces. You got it all right here. Good morning. We buy human hair. I don't think I have enough human hair. I don't have hair to sell. They buy human hair. I think they do it all over the world, right? Not just here in the Philippines. Ooh. Food vendor here, set up. I just can't. Filipinos love to eat cold food. I can't do it. I gotta have warm food. I can't do cold. Little leaf foods sit out on the counter from breakfast all day, then turn around and they'll eat it in the evening. Good morning.
What is that? You want pot spa?
I don't need a haircut. I hardly have any hair, huh?
I can do it.
You could do it.
Pot spa. I can
Foot
do it.
spa, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you, Auntie. Showed her my hair. Good morning. Another little store. Is this your store?
Yes, sir.
That's your store?
Buy it, sir.
Am I buying? Not today. I'm just looking at the store. Where you get all this from? Manila? This all comes up from Manila?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. A lot of it all comes up from Manila. There's a big big area down in Manila where 5621. That all these vendors go to. They buy in bulk, and then they bring it up here and turn around and make a little profit. Check out this setup. He's got his bicycle. It's closed. It's closed right now. That's his setup with a bicycle. I don't know what he's selling out of there, but that's what they do. Make a few pesos. Put your bike to use. He's selling fresh fruits. Hello. Oh, no, thank you. What's your name?
Alona.
Alona. Nice to meet you. Got your little business set up, right? Right. Now that's going to be warm because they got gas tanks that they heat up and cook with. That street food's going to be warm. Same with this right here. Morning. Morning. See people wearing masks. I guess it's their choice, right? However, you go into the mall, all your workers are wearing masks. Still, they're still wearing masks. I think maybe some of the businesses require it. You know, check out Margarita Station. Let me show you here. No sign. The sign's gone. Everything is gone. Anything that said Margarita Station is gone.
Kamu si Jordan?
Guy's selling some laundry soap. Hello. We got your laundry soap, huh? Laundry soap? How's business? That's yours? Oh, that's hers. You're just sitting there. All right. They sell everything. Everything, anything, everything and anything, right? Make a peso here, a peso there. Uh-oh. Look who's coming up. Junior. Juniors everywhere. Morning. Morning. Junior. Starts at one end and walks all the way to the other end. Yeah, well, here's what it is. So, all right, this is the end of our little walk. Right down here is the jeepney terminal. The trike line jeepney terminal. So there's our Monday walk, our little stroll up Fields Avenue. Uh-oh. There's they are. There's the Jeep. Trike guys. Trike guys. Trike guys. Oh, Kuya Matt. It's Kuya Matt right here. How you doing, Kuya Matt?
What's that all about?
Huh? For YouTube. YouTube, Kuya Matt. We've known Kuya Matt a long time. A long time. So, all right, guys. I'm going to wrap this one up. Once again, thanks for hanging in with me. Thanks for going on my walk with me. The weekly walk. Everybody likes that weekly walk. He says, don't you do more than walking street and Fields Avenue? Yeah, go look at the videos. I just did a whole bunch of them. Go look at them. So, all right, guys, we shall talk to you later.